Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve this simple math problem that is breaking the internet. How? So what people do, they solve it like 5 multiply 10 as 50 and then 50 minus 5 as 45 and 10 minus 45 as negative 35, which is a wrong answer. Yes, you heard it right. When in an expression you have given multiple operation like subtraction, multiplication and then subtraction, then you have to always follow BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. Comment down below in your country what you called it. As per BODMAS rule, first you have to solve the bracket, then order or of, then division, then multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Now, if we write this expression, so we have given two operation, that is subtraction and multiplication. So first we solve the multiplication part. So 10 minus 5 times 10 is 50 minus 5. Now only one operation is left. Then also always solve from left to right. So 10 minus 50 is minus 40, minus 5 is minus 45. So what is the correct answer? Minus 45. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.